Most husbands say they love their wife. Fewer show it when it costs them something. Service sounds simple, but it exposes everything. Because service isn't about chores. It's about choosing sacrifice over self. And the moment service disappears, resentment quietly takes its place. Brother, the health of your marriage can be measured by one question: who is being served in your home? Many marriages aren't falling apart. They're quietly keeping score. You feel unappreciated. She feels unsupported. Both of you feel tired. And instead of stepping toward each other, you both pull away. Here's the danger. When service stops, love turns transactional. You give only when it's returned. You help only when it's noticed. And you protect your comfort instead of your covenant. Does this feel familiar? In a moment, I'll show you why service isn't weakness and why it's the strength your marriage is missing. Jesus made this very clear.
For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve. Mark 10:45.
Service is not optional in covenant. It is foundational. Biblical leadership is not about being catered to. It's about carrying weight for the good of your wife and your home. And if Christ led through service, so must we. If you stop serving in your marriage, you don't remove the load. You place it on your wife. Let's be very clear. Service is not doing tasks to earn favor. It is not helping only when it's convenient. And it's not stepping in once things are already broken. Service is a daily decision to place the covenant above yourself. And strong marriages are built on 3 expressions of service. Number 1, initiative. A servant-focused husband doesn't wait to be asked. He notices and moves first. Your wife shouldn't have to beg for help, clarity, or care. Initiative tells her, I see you. I'm with you. You're not carrying this alone. Number 2 is sacrifice. Service always costs something. Time, comfort, personal preference. You don't serve when it's easy. You serve when it costs you because your covenant is worth more than your comfort. Love deepens when sacrifice becomes normal. And third, consistency. Service that shows up once is inspiring. Service that shows up daily is transformational. Small acts, repeated often, with no expectation of applause. Scripture puts it plainly.
Through love serve one another. Galatians 5:13.
Service isn't a moment, it's a way of life. When service enters a marriage, the atmosphere shifts. Your wife no longer feels alone in the weight. She feels like a partner in a secure covenant. Service doesn't weaken your leadership, it clarifies it. The strongest husbands don't demand honor. They build trust through their actions. Tonight, ask your wife one simple question. What's one thing I could take off your plate this week? Listen, don't negotiate, and then do it without reminding her. That's service. Next week, we build on service with the trait that sustains it long-term: intimacy. Because service without intimacy eventually runs dry. Husbands, service is not beneath you. It is the proof of your strength. If you want a strong foundation, serve. If you want clear communication, serve. And if you want unity in your marriage, serve. Lead with your hands, protect with your actions, and love through sacrifice. If this helped you, stand with this work by subscribing and sharing it with another husband who needs it. Forged in faith, bound by covenant, let's get to work.